Mir Hasan Dehlavi was in the court of which of the following? Answer is option D, Alauddin Khilji. Whose disciple was Saint Kabir? Answer is option B, Ramananda. Which of the following decisive battles had established the dominion of the British in India? Answer is option A, Battle of Buxar. Which of the following was the first thing that encouraged the Europeans for Indian business? Answer is option A, spice. A sphere of atmosphere which is partly made up of electrons and positive ions is called. Answer is option D, ionosphere. Which is the smallest island country in the Indian Ocean? Answer is option C, Maldives. In which article of the Constitution of India the details of the money bill have been given? Answer is option D, Article 110. In India, what kind of emergency can be declared on the basis of war or external invasion or armed rebellion? Answer is option C, national emergency. What does the indifference curve represent? Answer is option B, satisfaction derived from two goods. Cooling is done by. Answer is option C, release of compressed gas. On adding common salt to water, the boiling point and freezing point of water will. Answer is option A, increase and decrease respectively. Who invented Universal Standard Time? Answer is option A, Sandford Fleming. Ethanol reacts with sodium to evolve which gas? Answer is option D, hydrogen. Which of the following fuel has maximum calorific value? Answer is option D, hydrogen. Who invented the word protoplasm for the fluid substance of the cell? Answer is option A, J.E. Purkinje. Where does glucose break down into pyruvate? Answer is option B, cytoplasm. Who acts as the chairman of the Interstate Council? Answer is option D, Prime Minister. Vitamin B6 is also known as blank. Answer is option C, pyridoxine. Which of the following is not considered an ashram in Indian mythology? Answer is option C, Aranyak. What type of tax is income tax? Answer is option A, progressive. In which mountain is the Vaishno Devi temple situated? Answer is option D, Trikuta mountain. Who presided over the Haripura session of the Congress in 1938? Answer is option C, Subhash Chandra Bose. What type of work was the department of Diwan-e-Kohi to look after during the reign of Muhammad Tughlaq? Answer is option B, agriculture. Which of the following seismic belt is also known as Ring of Fire? Answer is option D, Circum-Pacific Belt. Which Chola king built the Raja Rajeshwara temple at Tanjore? Answer is option A, Rajaraja first. Which of the following Himalayan peaks is not located in Nepal? Answer is option C, Kamet. Which two countries does the Durand Line divide? Answer is option D, Afghanistan, Pakistan. What is the common name for calcium sulfate hemihydrate? Answer is option A, plaster of Paris. Malachite is an ore of which of the following metals? Answer is option B, copper. What is the minimum age qualification to become the chief minister of any state in India? Answer is option D, 25 years. Under which Government of India Act some elected representation in the legislature was granted for the first time? Answer is option D, Government of India Act 1909. Which Mughal ruler is credited with starting the Hindu-Muslim unity festival फूल वालों की सैर? Answer is option C, Akbar II. Identify the water-soluble vitamins from the following. Answer is option D, vitamin B1. Under article blank, the President can appoint a judge of the Supreme Court as the acting Chief Justice. Answer is option B, article 126. Khuang is the traditional musical instrument of which state? Answer is option D, Mizoram. When is World Thyroid Day celebrated? Answer is option A, 25th May. When the speed of a moving body is double, what happens to its kinetic energy? Answer is option C, it gets quadruped. Oilattam is the folk dance of which Indian state? Answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Which juice secreted by organs in the alimentary canal plays an important role in the digestion of fats? Answer is option B, bile juice, pancreatic juice. Article 17 of the Indian Constitution deals with which of the following? Answer is option A, abolition of untouchability. Where is Narora Atomic Power Station located? Answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following is the SI unit for measuring the amount of a substance? Answer is option A, mole. Where was the second Jain council held? Answer is option A, Vallabhi. Juari river passes through which of the following states? Answer is option B, Goa. How many bones are there in the human hand? Answer is option D, 27. Who among the following was known as Frontier Gandhi? Answer is option B, Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Where is the National Geophysical Research Institute located? Answer is option A, Hyderabad. What is Faraday's law related to? Answer is option A, electrolysis. Saga Dawa festival is celebrated in which state? Answer is option C, Sikkim. When was the Indian Air Force established? Answer is option B, 8 October 1932.